AIMSAT stands for Ali Institute of Management Science and Technology. Aim of AIMSAT is transformation of skill, education, and my 35-year experience, including 5+ year experience of consultancy and training in corporate sector in large-scale industries and SMEs as well. From this platform, we will be uploading videos of our free lectures for the engineers and management staff serving in the industries and business organizations and in general the youth of the society. We will be uploading lectures on various topics, for example, ISO series, Six Sigma series, total quality management, total productive maintenance, mechanical engineering design solutions, Japanese management system, and so many topics related to the corporate. At AIMSAT, we aim to fill the gap between the corporate sector and academia through our various upcoming projects. In short, AIMSAT is not only a YouTube channel, this is the online and on-site university of tomorrow.